In today's video, I'm going to try to make money online chatting with people. I'm going to try to make money online chatting with lonely people. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube talking about that. A lot of them promise you can make 100 USDT, 500 USDT just by chatting. So I'm just going to try it. I'm going to follow their steps. I'm going to follow it line by line and see if I can actually make $1 from chatting with lonely people. So if you want to find out whether you can actually make money online chatting with lonely people, make sure you stick to the end of this video to find out the result and see if you can actually make money online chatting with lonely people, or is this just another scam to get views. Hi there, my name is Jen Francis. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. So the first site that I saw on their list was Cloud Workers. So I'm just going to go to the site Cloud Workers and see and sign up with them. So I'm going to open my browser now. For me, I use Chrome, so I'm just going to open my browser, and on the search bar you search for Crowd Workers. It's one of the websites that they mentioned. So I'm just going to type Cloud Workers. So let's see if we can actually make money online chatting with lonely people. So here is the search results. You can see these ones are all sponsored. Okay, so this is the particular website that we are looking for, cloudworkers.company. This particular one, this is the one we are searching for. Chat moderators wanted. Apply to be a chat moderator, chat job at home. So we are going to click on this particular one because this is the one we are looking for. So let's see how it goes. I'm really excited for this review because I want to actually make money online chatting with people. Like, that's too easy. So let's see if what some of these YouTubers claim and say is true, because I'm going to follow everything here step by step and see if I can actually make that money myself. So you can see how we are Cloud Workers. Okay, scroll down, job benefits, whether you wish to work from home or from other side of the globe. We choose when and where you want to work. All that is required is a computer and a stable internet connection and competent language skill. Wow. So actually, for you to do this, you need a laptop, but they didn't mention this in the video that I watched. So for us not to have any excuse, or for them not to give any excuse why this did not work, I'm going to switch my this browser. I'm going to switch it to desktop view. You can see here it says apply as a chat moderator now. So for them not to give us any excuse, I'm going to switch this my browser to desktop view. So I'm applying now from a computer, from a PC now. So here now my browser is in a desktop view because according to what they said, all you need is a computer and a stable internet connection. So I'm applying with desktop view now. So I'm going to enter my first name here. I'm going to enter my first name, then enter my last name, then enter my email address. I'm not going to use my main email address for this. I'm just going to use one of my emails that I use for testing. So here you choose date of birth. So I'm going to enter my date of birth here and year. So I'm going to enter my date of birth. So here it says phone, which is your phone number. I'm going to enter one of my phone numbers, not my main line. 191 17 19. Okay, so here it says Skype name. Skype, this is just like Telegram. It just like Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and other chat apps. So but basically I don't have Skype, but according to the video that I watched, it was optional, but here I don't see that it's optional, so I'm just going to skip it. If it's necessary for us to input it, then I'm going to open Skype just for this tutorial. So here it says, which chat language are you applying for? So here I'm going to choose English. Times available via telephone. According to the tutorial, it said all times. So I'm going to follow everything step by step. I don't want to miss any single thing here. Do you have experience in chat moderation? Yes. So click on yes. How did you hear about us? Yeah, I'm just going to select Google. Okay, I'll just select friends. Then here you can see, please tell us something about yourself and why we should hire you. So on this particular column, according to the video I viewed on YouTube, I said that you should go to your AI, use any of your AI, ask them this, and once they give you the response, you edit it by yourself. So I'm just going to go to my WhatsApp AI, do that, and come back and continue the video. So guys, I've done that, so I'm just going to paste what I got from my AI here so we can move on. So I've pasted it. So here I'm going to tick this box. I've read and understood the terms and conditions, and I'm going to click I'm not a robot. So now we are going to click on submit application. Let's see. It says, attention, it may occur that that our emails are directed to spam folders. To prevent this, we request that you add our email address to your contact list and move all emails you receive from us that happen to end up in your spam folder into your main box. So he said, thank you very much for the application to cloud workers. We have just sent an email with all the important information to this my email address, and they said please check your mailbox now and confirm your application by clicking on the confirmation link contained in the email. Once complete, we will take care of the application. So now I'm going to go to my email and check for their mail. They said that it might be in the spam folder, so in case I don't see it on my mails, I will check the spam folder. So let's go. This is getting exciting. So here we are on my email address. Particularly I use this email to test sites that I'm not sure of, like sites that I don't trust. So this is the message they sent to me, so I'm just going to open it. So here is the email that they sent. It said your application to cloud workers company. He said, dear Chinemere Okeke, we are delighted that you have applied to be part of the cloud workers team, and thank you very much for your application. First of all, in order to confirm your application, please click on the confirmation link. In the event that this email was sent to you to your spam folder, we highly recommend that you move it to your inbox and add this email to your contact list. So basically they are requesting us to click on the link, this thing, on this confirmation link here, on this confirmation link, the one on blue. So I'm just going to click on it. So after clicking on the email that they sent to my email address, after clicking on the link, it landed me on this page, and it says thank you for verifying your email address. We confirm that your application has been submitted successfully and is currently being processed by our recruitment team. So here below it says attention, it may occur that our emails, okay, I've read this before, So now we are going to wait for their email and see if it was accepted. So this particular review is getting interesting. Let's actually see if we can make money online chatting with lonely people. So I'm going to be checking my email address constantly for their mail. So let's pause here for now. So guys, it's been 2 days since I applied on CloudWalker, a company that promised to pay you by chatting with people. So they said, this is the email that they sent to me. They say, "Hi there, thank you so much for your interest on CloudWalker company. Unfortunately, the response to the available position was overwhelming and much greater than we expected, and the position has now been filled by somebody more fitting for the role. We fully appreciate that this is quite disappointing for you. Thank you for your interest in CloudWalkers. Best wishes." So it means congratulations to me. I was able to make $0 by chatting with people online. I don't know whether this actually works in other countries, maybe like US, UK, and other top tier countries, because I'm making this video in Nigeria. So you can see that I made $0 trying to chat with lonely people on the internet space. And by the way, you might say that maybe my application is not okay and good. I wrote the application with an AI, not just AI. After the AI did the work, I also applied my own intelligence to what the AI did. I made sure I arranged everything properly. So maybe the problem is the country slash region the application is coming from. I don't know. So if you're watching this video and you are in UK and you're making money from this particular website chatting with lonely people, drop your opinion in the comment section. So this my review. It means that I made $0. So if you are in any region, Ghana, African region precisely, do not try this. It's a complete waste of time. Those in top tier countries, if you also tried and you accepted and you are making money, please tell us in the comment section. For me, this is a no-no. By the way, my name is Jen Francis. If this is the first time I'm coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. See you guys on my next video. Bye.